Hi everyone, this is Emmy. We are in the path of the Hurricane Dorian, and it's going to hit my city tomorrow as a Category 2. So right now I'm just going to post a very short video, and then maybe after the storm on Monday or so, I'll post a longer one. So today I'm going to show you how to work the puffy spike stitch. To work the puffy spike stitch, I'm going to work into the base of the next double crochet. So yarn around the hook and then come down into the base of that stitch and then pull up the yarn. I'm going to do that 2 more times. So there's the second one and the third. So now I will have 7 loops on my hook. 2, 4, 6, 7. Now pick up the yarn and pull it through all the loops on the hook. And that's a puffy spike stitch. Now I'm going to go into the next stitch and just make a double crochet and another double crochet, and now I'm ready to do the next puffy spike stitch, and I'm going to do it in this double crochet. So come down right to the base into that stitch, pull up the yarn over, pull it up again, 1 more time. Now pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook, and then just go back to the regular double crochet across the row like that. And that's how you crochet the puffy spike stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.